and slowly lower that. Good, and once again, pull for me. Same leg.
Same leg.
Yep. And relax. Okay. So that was something called Thomas test. And when patients are doing that, I am looking to see if either their quad, which is this big muscle here, elevates upward, or if perhaps their lower leg elevates as well, okay? Because those are where our two primary hip flexors insert into. Our psoas muscle inserts into our femurs, and our quadriceps muscle comes down, inserts into the knee, and helps move this. So